Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Krystal, and today we're going to be doing, to me, a really fun little haul. This is going to be a quicker video. It's only 4 pieces, but I placed an order with He Would Love First, which is a brand. It is a Christian clothing brand, and I really love their pieces. They are so cute. They are so trendy and I just love them. So I wanted to share them with you guys, especially if I have anybody that really struggles to find really cute Christian clothing pieces. Yeah, so I think I have really hit the jackpot. I'm gonna have to place another order because they have really cute things. The first piece we're gonna talk about is this tee that I have on right now. As you can see, it's got the little smiley face. It says, "I love Jesus" as the mouth, and I think it's so precious. Smiley face print is so in right now. It is everywhere you look. Everything has smiley faces on it, and honestly, I like it. It's kind of a reminder to be happy, to be positive, and just to enjoy life. Don't take life too seriously. You only get one. Live it while you can. So I really like this. So cute, just really fun. I like the black with the yellow. I have already worn this and I thought it was so cute, and I got compliments on it while I was out. Many girls were like, "Oh my gosh, your t-shirt is so cute. I love it." So it is really cute. I will list everything over here so you can see the prices. Also, I will link everything in the description box down below, as well as their website. They have bracelets. They have, I think they have hats right now. I want to say I saw that they were limited though, so you need to get them while you can. They have so many different things on their website, so many different styles. I just love so much, but isn't this t-shirt just so cute? I am wearing a size small, and ignore the dog hairs on it. The lint roller's downstairs. I doubt you can really see them, but I can. They're driving me nuts. It's a problem with having white dogs and black clothing, but anyways, if you're a dog owner, you already know. But guys, this is adorable. Their prices are really well priced. Your typical price for like a sweatshirt or a t-shirt, anywhere from like $19 to like 40 bucks. That's typical. There you go. I'm sorry I'm saying so much. I'm trying to gather my thoughts as I go. But this is adorable. Let's go ahead and jump into the next piece. Okay, so I have already worn this one as well. Normally, I do not wear any of the pieces that I use for try-on hauls until I've done the actual video, but these, I was just so excited to get them that I wore them already. So like I said, I had already worn the t-shirt that you just saw, and I just wanted to mention that they have both been washed and dried. That t-shirt did not shrink at all. I told you it was a small. I will say this, if you want it to be an oversized t-shirt, I would size up, maybe a size or 2, because it is a true small. It's not an oversized small in any way, shape, or form. It is a small. So it did not shrink though. It still fits exactly how it did out of the packaging. But I just wanted to let you know that I have washed this one and the t-shirt and dried them, and they were great. I did wash on low and dry on low as well, or wash on cold and dry on low. So just letting you know. But I have worn this one. This one did not shrink at all either. This is a medium. So I'm going to say, like, if you want an oversized fit, definitely size up. This is a medium. To me, it fits great. I love the way it fits. I love the band. Everything is great. The color, I love the color. Isn't this color just so eye-catching? It just makes you happy seeing this blue, to be honest. Again, with the smiley face that says, "I love Jesus." I love the yellow and the blue together. Like, just so cute. I'm standing on my tippy toes. That's why it looked like I was about to fall over. But I love the yellow and the blue together. It's so bright and cheery, and I just love that. So comfortable. It's soft. It's really nice. It's really nicely made. I really love this. So cute. Again, I already told you that I've washed and dried it. Nothing changed. Love to see it. But like I said, if you want it to be an oversized fit, definitely size up in this one and the t-shirt. I don't know about the other two because I haven't put those on yet. I have not worn those at all, and I'm so excited to get this video out to you guys so you can pick up some things, support this small business. I don't think they're very large. I think they are smaller. Don't quote me on that though. I really do like their products though. So if you feel compelled, definitely support them. This is not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with them at all. They don't even know I exist, but I like to encourage people to support companies that have a really good cause, and they're spreading the love of Jesus. You know what I mean? So if you are looking for stuff like this, go check them out for sure. Let's jump into the next piece. I think you're really gonna like this one. Okay guys, so here is the next one. This one is made a little bit different than the last. The last one has like the band that's a little bit tighter and it isn't as long, so it's meant to ride right at your pants line. This one is more of one that would be easier to wear with leggings or something like that. I mean, obviously you can wear it with jeans. It looks great with jeans as well. These jeans are just from American Eagle. I love American Eagle jeans, but whew, I gotta catch my breath. I'm talking so fast. I'm so excited though. Look at this pink tie-dye. Is this not the cutest? This one is a little bit more oversized, so I'd say if you want to size up for a bigger fit, I would just go up one size. The other two, you could probably go up 2 sizes if you wanted an oversized fit. This one I would only go up about 1 size unless you want it to be really, really big. This is the medium and I think it fits perfectly. I cannot speak to washing or anything like that. I would be very careful washing this though because it is pink. The colors may run, so I would wash with like colors just to be on the safe side. But this is so cute. I love the way it fits. It is so comfortable. I love a good crew neck sweatshirt, guys. You really can't go wrong. This with a pair of black leggings and some sneakers, maybe a cap or something like that. Very easy, super cute way to leave your house, run errands. You're comfortable, you're cozy, all that stuff. You can't go wrong. This one just says I love Jesus across it in just the white print, which I really like. It's subtle, but it gets your message across, and you never know, somebody may read it and want to ask you, hey, tell me about Jesus. You never know what could happen. So I really like this. Super cute. Cannot wait to wear this out. I'm almost positive it will get compliments as well because it is beautiful. It is very nice and soft. Now the inside is like a typical sweatshirt. It isn't the softest, but it's not scratchy. It's not uncomfortable. It's, it's very nice. It's comfortable. It's not super thick, so you're not going to be super duper hot. This would also be something that would be really good for springtime when it's not incredibly warm, but you want to wear a sweatshirt with biker shorts. This is the perfect sweatshirt for that. But obviously you can throw a jacket over it or a shirt under it and wear it during the winter as well. So cozy. I will probably be living in these sweatshirts just because I love to throw on a sweatshirt and go to bed. There's just something so comfortable about just cozying up in the bed in a sweatshirt when it's chilly outside. Love that. Let's jump into the last one and then we will be wrapping up this video, guys. Okay guys, so here is the last piece. Look at this cotton candy tie-dye. Is this not to die for? It is so beautiful. Okay, so this one is made a lot like the last one. It is longer, the band isn't as tight, so this one is another one that you could definitely wear with leggings. It covers the boot, so you wouldn't have to worry about your booty being exposed or anything. It covers everything, which is nice, especially if you're more of a modest person and you don't really like to wear leggings without covering your booty. This works for you. Also, I love the fact that the sleeves are a little long. Your hands kind of disappear inside. It is amazing. I love that. Like I said, I love to just curl up with my hands in my hoodie or my sweatshirt and just get cozy. I love that. The coloring is to die for. It is so beautiful. It is so soft on the outside. It is incredible, but I cannot get over the blue and the pink and the white and just how beautiful it looks. I honestly have not seen a tie-dye this beautiful ever, to be honest. I really love the colors on this. I also like that they chose to do blue on the little smiley face, and again the I love Jesus on it. Again, subtle but super cute and trendy as well. It is extremely trendy, the smiley face, like I've already mentioned. So they are definitely keeping up with the trends and making what people want to see and want to wear. And I think that's amazing because I feel like so many like brands that are geared towards like, you know, love of Christ or Christian branding or anything like that, sometimes they tend to be not as trendy, not as cute. So I love what they're doing. Even their models and their photos on Instagram and stuff are so precious, so cute. And like it caught my attention. It was an ad on Target and I was like, let me see more. So I followed them and then they were having a sale and I was like, you know what, let's grab some things. But even without the sale, honestly, their prices are really, really great. I think this one was $32 or $35, which is not bad at all. But guys, here are all the pieces. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you pick up anything from them. For sure. I know this may not be everybody's cup of tea. I hope you enjoyed the video anyways. Share this with any of your friends that might be interested in, you know, like some Christian clothing that's very trendy and on point, super cute and fun. These would make really good Christmas presents. I'm not gonna lie, like who doesn't like getting a sweatshirt? I think these would be really good Christmas presents. Maybe buy a pack of their little bracelets and put that in with it. Really cute gift. I think these would be good for like tween girls as well. As a Christmas gift, I think they would really like it. So anyways, guys, I love you and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment before you go, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!